What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGriff back with another video. And as y'all can tell, I had to cut the hair out because I was getting tired of it. But we back with the Cutlass, you know what I'm saying? My guy finna come over and check it out, see what's going on. And I just decided to come outside to make sure, check this pan right quick, make sure there ain't no new leaks since yesterday. He gonna come check the transmission fluid and all that stuff. So let me go ahead and look up under the car right quick. He should be here probably in a matter of time. So same little bit of stuff that's still in there. Nothing new since then. So he'll be over here, check on it, make sure everything right, running good. And we should be ready to go. Hopefully everything is okay, because if not, he'll probably end up taking it back down to his house, getting it checked over, because there's some things that he still gotta look over, since I ain't take the car back down there, you know, basically after a little break-in period and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'll catch up to y'all once he get over here and see what he think about it. So I'll get up with y'all in 1 second. Alright, so my motor man just left, came over here. Hey, we was trying to get stuff situated, but what we end up finding out is we got some little small bugs to fix, but it's nothing too major. And we finna go ahead and get that stuff situated. Gotta end up getting that we're gonna see about this gearbox, because if you see, had a little fluid that was seeping up out of there somehow, some way, but we gonna clean that off pretty good, and we're gonna see if it leaked back again. And I think we end up getting the water pump gasket. We're gonna end up fixing that, because I think it got a metal one. And here y'all go for the what's the name right fast, the cold air intake. The only thing I gotta do, we end up cutting it, getting the air filter put on. So did end up getting that, and this just one for right now, you know, just cleaning off or whatever. But we're gonna end up getting this taken off, fixed, get that bolt shaved down, and that's pretty much it. Antifreeze low, so we got to end up getting the antifreeze. And before I end up getting the gearbox, if that's not necessarily leaking, we're not gonna worry about it. But I can just go ahead and get it just to get it. But what else we gotta get? Because he ended up just having the stuff on eBay. Let me check my eBay account right quick. Hold on 1 second. Oh, and then we got to fill up the transmission fluid. And then we're going to actually see where that's coming from. But right now the car is down. Yeah. Only thing I got to get is the pan gasket. That's what it's called, for the 4L60 pan gasket. And then we're going to get the G-body power steering and gearbox. So we're going to see if that's the problem. And that should stop the leaking or whatever that we actually getting. And then we're just gonna see what's hitting on the back of it. And that's pretty much it, man. Fill that up and then get that cold air intake. But the car sounds good right now. But like I say, you got wear and tear on the cars and stuff like that when you first get them. So end up he gonna come over here, switch that out and stuff. And because I thought it was the power steering, but the power steering is full. So but if I get up under the car, I ain't finna do too much. I got my clothes on. But if I get up under the car, you can kind of see the blowback from it, which ain't a lot, but I mean, it is a lot. So you're thinking it's coming from there, but other than that, that's pretty much where it's coming from. It's coming from the water pump, and that's where it's dripping down at the bottom. And then we just gotta figure out what's going on at that back once we post some more in and he drop it, and then the seal in it, and then we should be back good. But like I say, and then it did end up turning this down. so it won't be poking that hole. I know in that last video y'all probably couldn't see the damn hole, but it's right there. Oops. It's the hole right there. So you can see it a little bit better in the daytime. So that's what that was. Now it fits up under the hood. We're gonna shave this bolt down just a little bit. The body man gonna come, fix that, and then pop that trimming down, and then we good to go. But that's what come with this stuff, man. Y'all already know. Take it back down, get it squared away, but hey, he said he gonna come over here, pop everything on for me right fast, and then we should be ready to go. Like I say, he already ready to put the rear end in it, because like you say, a lot of people that watch my channel end up getting their cars and stuff done by him also. So for y'all that been watching, you know what I'm saying, we almost there. If you're ready to do what you want to do, just let me get my stuff together first. So, but you know what I'm saying, I ain't no race car driver. This is just a daily. You know what I'm saying, daily in with a can. But other than that, man, appreciate it. Let me show y'all how it sound with the cold start, man. I mean, not the cold start, but with the cold air intake. And like I say, still got to get the filter put on. So, and yeah, he say I done upgraded, so we ain't waiting on no pump no more. Oh shit! Damn, do I got the keys? If I ain't got the keys, we ain't going nowhere. Uh-oh. Dang. Hold on. Ooh, boy, I thought I lost some keys, but I do gotta go get some spare keys. So, you go ahead and show y'all when you wait. Yes, sir. But y'all here, we back in the game, almost. But sound good. But gotta, like I say, gotta get this stuff fixed. See the temperatures. So everything's still doing what it's supposed to do. We're gonna get everything fixed. It's a process, so you know, just wait on everything. Y'all been patient with me long enough, so it's time to go ahead and get going. And that's some small stuff too. We're gonna get all the air, AC lines and stuff hooked up. Everything about to get ran. And yeah, we working, man. I gotta get this blower back working so it can blow out the heat. The vacuum lines from the heat coming off, so do got a little bit of heat in the car. So other than that, just a little small stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that shock fixed too, cause like I say, some people trying to see what she really do. But like I said, I ain't really been hitting it just cause when it bite down over that tie, so I ain't really trying to go that hard with the car. So yep, but I'm gonna go ahead and get to work, man. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll catch y'all next video. Yes, sir.